One of the engine houses at the Museum of Technology, Auckland, New Zealand. Notice the racket from the internal combustion engine over to my left. And the absolute lack of any noise coming from the tangy single cylinder to my right. Bellis and Morecambe compound genset dynamo, 72 kW, 72 kilowatts. Great big single furnace Scotch boiler. Currently been experimenting with compressed wood pellets, and by the accounts of the firemen, they say that it's as good or better than coal, at least for this application. Big triple expansion steam engine out of a ferry. See the little feed pump. Beautiful Japan steel lagging. Looks like piston valve on high pressure and intermediate pressure, and slide valve on low pressure. Internal condenser. Little single cylinder launch engine. Cochrane boiler. Tangy compound horizontal mill engine with riding cutoff valve gear here to make it a little bit more efficient. It's essentially a slide valve on top of a slide valve. It's rather strange. Sheet. That was a pumping engine. 7,000 gallons an hour. Just because it's here, I guess we got to look at it. Through the stairs into this great massive beam engine. Looks like a compound maybe. Massive flywheel. The flywheel is about 20 feet in diameter, maybe a bit bigger. All the valves. It looks like it's a double compound, so 2 high pressure and 2 low pressure cylinders. I guess you'd call it a 2 crank 4 cylinder compound. Beautiful cast iron work. Detail the crossheads and the lagging. Beautiful columns. And specs on the beam engine here. High pressure 27 inch, low pressure 42 inch. 20'6" diameter flywheel. Doesn't give the stroke though. Stroke is big by big. Yes. It's interesting, it has rotary cams for the valve gear with roller followers. Great big flyball governor. And beautiful detail on the connecting rod here up to the beam. Hard to capture it all in one shot.